In 2002, she entered in the public relations field, and together with Pierre-Michel Théodade, she founded in Haiti THELAR Management Group, formerly known as THELAR Management Advertising. So now I would like for everybody to stand to welcome Farah Laurieux.
One thing I would like to share with everyone, with the passion and the heart that Ms. Farah has put into this evening, let's not walk away and act on it. Because a lot of times we go to these events, we have a great time, we fellowship, and then as soon as we leave, it kind of gets dormant. So let's take the mantle and let's push and let's physically and literally act on what she shared with us tonight. Please. Thank you.
You understand why is my financial coach? Please, ladies and gentlemen, help me to welcome Miriam Pierre, who's been doing a wonderful job working with kids in Little Haiti to guarantee their future. Miriam is a very powerful woman in this community, but this is exactly people not in the spotlight. We don't know what they're doing, we don't know how it works, but she contributes to the future of many children in our Little Haiti. Miriam, don't be shy. Come. It is an honor for THELAR Management Group, in partnership with the support of Macaya Foundation, Florida Lottery, Florida Immigrant Coalition, and the city of Miramar to present to Easter Seal, South Florida, $5,000.
whereas THELAR Management Group designs strategic campaigns for government agencies, nonprofits, and corporations. Now, therefore, and this reads, I'm not Wayne Messam, but it reads, now, therefore, I, Wayne Messam, Mayor of the City of Miramar, and on behalf of Vice Mayor Yvette Coburn and the City Commission, do hereby proclaim September 24th, 2022 as THELAR Management Day in the city of Florida. Thank you so very much.